Uber navigation hacks that make you more money. In this video, I'm going to talk about that. I'm going to talk about how you can use Waze to make money with Uber. So let's just start off with the app, right? So I'm going to open the app up right now. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to obviously install Waze. If you can see, you want to obviously install Waze. Now, one of the very first things I recommend you should start doing, number one, is you need to start going on your favorites. So on your favorites, I'm not sure if you can see it on the camera there, but there's a favorites option here. And what you can do is you can start bookmarking hotspots in your city. So I'm based in London, and there's many hotspots. One of them being Hackney in the morning, and also Leicester Square, you know, Tottenham Court Road, all these places, bookmark them, but also bookmark the time when it starts surging. So in your favorites where it says add new favorite, do that. Add new favorites and start making lists. Clubs, bars, places that are known to be very busy. That is number one. Number two, what you should also do as well is that you need to start optimizing your settings. So go into settings, go into navigation, and type in avoid ferries, avoid toll roads, and avoid difficult junctions, especially for those long haul journeys, because it'll allow you to get where you're going quicker on those 60 plus trips and other trips that are very, very, very long. That's number two. Number three, what you also need to start doing is you need to start syncing your calendar, Google Calendar that you have with Gmail to Waze. And how you do that is that you'll go into plan drives here, and then click connect Facebook events, connect calendar. Because the good thing is that what you can do is you can add certain events to your calendar. So let's say Beyonce is coming into town. Let's say U2 is coming into town. You add that to your calendar of all the events that are happening. What will happen is that it will sync that with Waze and let you know the best time to set off so you can get there before it ends, so you can take advantage of that early surge that is going to be invisible until more drivers get there, or better yet, more people start coming out. So that's number three. Number four, I would say you need to set your work location, where it says set once and go, set your work location to your initial first base, i.e. the first place that you drive to before you start taking jobs and taking trips and letting the back-to-back process take its toll. So that's what I would say. They're the Uber navigation hacks, I would say. This also applies to Google Maps, but ideally Waze is the best app to use it with. So that's it from me. If you like what you've seen, please hit subscribe, share this video, like this video. Let me know your feedback in the comments below as well. And also there is something in the description box that will tell you that will take you to a page where you can learn my 3-step method to getting referrals and autopilot. So don't forget to check it out. With that being said, take care and look out for the next video.